Hi there, my sewing friends. I'm Jen, and I want to talk about goals, specifically goals for 2024. So I thought I would let you know what mine are. I have 5, and before I get to that, I want to tell you about my goals for 2023, and we'll just look at how good I am at achieving goals. I only had 3.5 goals for 2023, and those were to do more tutorials, do more sew-alongs. I think I kind of about half succeeded on that. If you want to throw collaborations in there, I think I win. But tutorials, I only did 3 that I can remember. My second goal was to buy more quality fabrics and less thrifted linens. And I think that was about a 50-50 split, because I did buy quality fabrics, but I also bought thrifted linens because I can't resist. And my third goal was to do more Instagram challenges, and I completely failed on that, completely. I'm not on Instagram, and it's easy to say, oh, just, take a picture and post it, but nope. Instagram is all about reels now, and you have to add music and hashtags and the whole, no. I don't have time for that. I can do YouTube in my sleep. I don't want to mess with Instagram. The other half a goal was to continue to improve my sewing space. And I did. I have continued that, and I want to continue that on into 2024. Because I think when you can get a space to work for you, you work smarter and you work faster. In 2023, I made 158 things. 103 of those were crafts and things for other people. I found that kind of astounding because I largely sew garments. 55 of those things were for me. My favorite thing was a dress that I made for a collaboration, and it is a rayon McCall's dress that is so comfortable that I never want to take it off. It's beautiful. Dress it up or dressed it down. It's a tropical print, and the theme for the collaboration was the beach. Hit that on the nose. My make that I'm the most proud of was my pool bag. I needed a bag for swimming, and I would never have the right storage or enough space in the bag I was using. I couldn't find anything in it, so I designed a bag and put it together out of a shower curtain, a waterproof shower curtain, and I was so pleased with it. I'm still so pleased with it because it's made specifically for me. The most fun thing that I made was for another collaboration, and it was an apron with R2-D2 on the front of it. I'm a huge Star Wars fan. There's a lot of applique. That was a lot of fun. And the thing that I perfected to perfection, can you perfect something to perfection, was bowl cozies. I made those for gifts. A year and a half ago, I was done. I never wanted to see another one of those again in my life. Now, it's all good. I don't know if I've just done enough of them to perfect them or what, but I got them down. And that's everything about 2023. Now let's talk about 2024 and my goals for this year. I have 5, and the first is to keep a calendar, faithfully keep a calendar. I am fond of, thinking and putting in my phone, oh, I've got this to do on that day. But I don't keep a daily calendar, and I am committed to that this year because I don't like things creeping up on me. I don't like all that pressure that I put on myself when I wait till the last minute. I do work well under pressure, but who loves doing that? So keeping a calendar, I think, is a doable, achievable goal, and I'm committed to that this year. My second goal is to ditch the perfectionism. I am such a perfectionist, especially when it comes to my sewing. And there are areas of sewing that it doesn't matter. I do not need to tear out all that serged stitching just because it doesn't match the fabric. It's on the inside of the garment. Who cares? I get things stuck on my head, and it's like I can't let it go. But this year, I'm going to really try and let it go. And I'm going to use this a whole lot less. It does not need to be attached to the end of my arm this year. My third goal is to focus on connecting the sewing community even more. Hashtag Friday Sews has been a great way to get everybody talking to each other. So many of us sew in isolation. We don't have anybody to talk to about our wonderful hobby, this incredible craft that we do. And, you know, people look at it, but they don't get involved in it with us. And so I want to be committed to showing up at events, big events like expos, and coordinating small events, and reaching out with Zoom and YouTube Live and that kind of thing. Get us really talking in comments. This is a really serious goal that I have for this year for this channel. So I hope you will be encouraged by that and even help make it happen. Number 4 goal for me is declutter, destash, and diminish the amount of stuff that I have in this room, because I have 50 years of stuff I've accumulated in my years of sewing, and it's too much. I do not need 10 pairs of scissors or 5 seam rippers. That's ridiculous. I don't need 10,000 buttons. It's just too much. I've run out of storage in here, and I really, really was impacted by the statement, don't buy more storage, get rid of some stuff. I'm doing that in all of my house, all in my closet, all of my life, basically. So that's a big one this year. I'm going to really aim to get rid of some stuff and clear things out. And my 5th goal is to keep sewing for others, whether that's in a charitable sense, a family sense, any kind of sense, you know, gifts for others. A lot of us are grandmothers and we love to sew for our grandkids, or we're just moms who love to sew for our own kids. There are all kinds of ways that we can sew for others, and I would like for that to be at least half of the sewing that I do. This past year, it was about 2/3 of the sewing I did. So I think that it's an achievable goal, and I hope that I'm able to really reach out and try and include some of you in that. Those are my 5 goals for 2024. I think they're good ones. I think they're achievable, and I am really motivated to get them done this year. Let me know what yours are. Let's talk about that in the comments, and let's get on with making this happen. I'm going to leave you with a little bit of Jesus, which is what I do at the end of my videos. This is from Deuteronomy, and it says, be strong and courageous. What wonderful encouragement that is to begin a new year, isn't it? I will see you next time, and thank you so much for watching.